Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Implementing feedback loops for continuous improvement. Implementing feedback loops for continuous improvement is a crucial element in the life cycle of generative artificial intelligence models, particularly in the phase of model maintenance and updates. Feedback loops are systematic processes that leverage data and insights from the model's performance to inform necessary adjustments and enhancements. The significance of feedback loops in GenAI lies in their ability to ensure that models remain relevant, accurate, and capable of meeting evolving user needs and environmental conditions. As GenAI systems become increasingly integral to various applications, maintaining their efficacy through continuous improvement becomes paramount. The concept of feedback loops in GenAI can be traced back to the broader field of systems theory, where feedback is used to adjust processes and maintain system stability. In the context of GenAI, feedback loops are employed to refine model predictions, enhance accuracy, and adapt to new data patterns. This iterative process involves collecting data on model performance, analyzing this data to identify discrepancies or areas for improvement, and adjusting the model accordingly. These adjustments can include retraining the model with new data, fine-tuning hyperparameters, or even restructuring the model's architecture. A feedback loop begins when a GenAI model generates output based on input data. This output is then evaluated against a set of performance metrics, which may include accuracy, precision, recall, and user satisfaction scores. If the model's performance falls short of predefined thresholds, feedback is generated to highlight these deficiencies. For instance, a language model that consistently misinterprets user intent may require additional training data or algorithmic adjustments to better understand context and nuances. The feedback generated from these evaluations serves as a critical input for subsequent iterations of model training and refinement. One of the key advantages of implementing feedback loops is the ability to adapt to changing environments and user expectations. In dynamic settings, such as natural language processing or image recognition, the data landscape is continuously evolving. New slang, terminologies, and visual cues emerge, necessitating that GenAI models evolve to maintain their relevance and accuracy. Feedback loops provide a mechanism for models to incorporate these changes seamlessly, thereby enhancing their adaptability and resilience. For example, a GenAI model used in social media monitoring must be able to recognize and interpret new memes or trends as they arise. The introduction of feedback loops enables the model to iteratively learn and adjust to these developments, ensuring its ongoing utility and effectiveness. Moreover, feedback loops contribute significantly to the mitigation of biases and errors that may be inherent in GenAI models. Bias in AI systems is a critical concern, as it can lead to unfair outcomes and perpetuate stereotypes. Through feedback loops, it is possible to identify biased patterns in model predictions and rectify them through targeted interventions. Consider a facial recognition system that demonstrates racial bias in its outputs. By analyzing feedback from user interactions and performance evaluations, developers can pinpoint specific biases and implement corrective measures, such as augmenting the training dataset with more diverse examples or refining the model's feature extraction algorithms. The implementation of feedback loops also fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement within organizations utilizing GenAI. By systematically incorporating feedback into the development process, teams are encouraged to remain vigilant and proactive in addressing model deficiencies. This proactive approach not only enhances model performance, but also drives innovation and exploration of new techniques and methodologies. Organizations that prioritize feedback loops are better equipped to navigate the complexities of AI deployment and leverage GenAI to its full potential. In practice, the successful implementation of feedback loops relies on several key components. Firstly, there must be a robust mechanism for collecting and aggregating performance data. This may involve the use of automated monitoring tools and analytics platforms that provide real-time insights into model behavior. Secondly, there must be a clear framework for analyzing feedback and identifying actionable insights. This requires a multidisciplinary approach involving data scientists, domain experts, and end users to ensure that feedback is interpreted accurately and effectively. Lastly, there must be a commitment to iterative improvement with a willingness to experiment and adapt based on feedback insights. The effectiveness of feedback loops is supported by empirical evidence and case studies. For example, in a study on the application of feedback loops in machine learning systems, researchers found that iterative feedback mechanisms significantly improved model accuracy and reduced error rates over time. Similarly, a case study on a GenAI-driven customer service chatbot demonstrated that implementing feedback loops led to a 25% increase in user satisfaction and a 30% reduction in response time. These examples underscore the tangible benefits of feedback loops in enhancing the performance and efficacy of GenAI models. In conclusion, feedback loops are an indispensable component of the GenAI lifecycle, particularly in the model maintenance and updates phase. They provide a structured approach to continuous improvement, enabling models to adapt to changing environments, mitigate biases, and enhance overall performance. By fostering a culture of ongoing learning and adaptation, feedback loops empower organizations to harness the full potential of GenAI, driving innovation and delivering superior outcomes. As the field of GenAI continues to evolve, the importance of feedback loops in ensuring the sustainability and effectiveness of AI systems cannot be overstated. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.